So, hey, here is a new belief to break no more, a new belief to break no more. And this new belief is I attract what I embody. I attract what I embody. My values are my magnets. Here's the thing, instead of searching for the right people, focus on being the right person. Then the energy is going to do the rest for you. It's like it's like me, it's like I'm focused right now on being the right person. I'm not focused on, and I can't be focusing on the right people. I am focusing on being the right person, and I know that at some point the right people are going to revolve around me, and they're already revolving around me. I'm hearing Beyonce. Yeah, okay, you got your name. Oh, this is good. Thank you. So live your values, then radiate integrity and attract your tribe. This is the thing. It's like you live your values and then you're in integrity with your own values. You're in accountability, in full accountability with your own values, which makes you be the right person and in turn um, can magnify as well the values of other people. They're like, oh my God, I didn't know I could be like that. Actually, I want to be like that. Actually, I love to be like that. Actually, I love this value. Actually, wait, I discovered this value right now. How can I implement it in my life? No, and then they go through the process, thanks to you being the right person. And then at some point, perhaps you're going to meet and you're going to be like, oh, hey, we are like really on the same motion right now, like on the same wavelength. And it looks like we are finding emotional resonance and so on, right? Um, and this is how you find your people as well. Like give it a little time. It takes a little time. It can take a little time. It can be immediate because perhaps you're gonna do something that is out of character, like out of what you used to do, and this leads you to meet a new person that you never thought you could find ever in your life. And this is how you meet the right person, because you abided, for instance, the by the principle of daring, right? And so you've gone to this bar, and to this bar, like randomly you meet this person, and strangely it fits very well. So why not exploring more, and you have fun and blah. And this is how it starts. From experience with me, it's a bit more engineered on everything. So it's like, I'm a bit paranoid on that, but it's just like being tactical on my end. So yeah, just much love.